Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Oracle Apex. And today topic is really important, which normally anyone need, and that is uploading files in Oracle, or you can say using Oracle Apex. And this is really important topic, and I will try to cover different aspects of file uploads. Because Oracle Apex has different ways of uploading files. So let me have the pen. So it has single file uploads or multiple file uploads. Both have different requirements, different settings, different way of doing it, and in both cases, it will be uploaded in the BLOB, which is binary large objects column. And you can upload different types of files. It is, and even you can restrict based on type of the files as well as size of the file. So, for example, you want to restrict only JPEG or image files, you can go with it. And even you can say, okay, you will not allow more than, for example, 1 MB file, or different sizes. So even that you can do using Oracle Apex. So there are two types of modes to upload files. One is single and the other one is multiple, and I've just shown different types of files you can upload. Okay, now no matter you are uploading as a single file or you are uploading as a multiple files, but the definition of your table to hold these files is something like this. You need these columns to be there in the table, right? I'm not highlighting other part of the table because your table might be different than this one. If you see here, even you can have file comments, but this is your choice. See here, I just added. If you want to put some comments for the file, but this is not something a part of upload file. You can have something else as well, like tags or whatever. This is the structure, and I will be uploading this text or code in the Apex area of Oracle portal, ERPstuff.com. So nothing to worry, this will be there. Okay, now for example, if you are uploading a single file per record. So if I take this example, let's say for example you want to, or you have to upload a photo of your employee, each employee. So you will be keeping the file because since it's a single file attached to the employee. So what you will do, you will keep these file uploads columns inside your employee table itself. You got it? So you will not create a separate table, but because since it's just single file, and you will be keeping in the same table where you are keeping the employee's information. I just kept very minor columns. So let's say employee name, ID, department, you can keep others. But here the limitation of this way of uploading is you can have one uploaded file per record. So you can't have two photos. Yeah. So this is for single file upload. So this way you can upload, and then if you have to upload multiple files, let's say for example that was the image of the employee, but you have to upload documents of the employees. Documents will be more than one. So here what you can do, you will have to create sort of master detail record or table structure. Still you can keep the photo over here, no problem, that below will be there. But for details, let's say for example you want to upload qualifications, degrees, etc. So you need multiple sort of uploads. So what you will do, you will have the employee table and you will have a foreign key relationship here. If you see here, so this employee ID will be here. right? So when you will fetch this one, you will have a where condition for this employee ID. So whatever, let's say 5 files uploaded under one employee, so it will show, right? And same columns here as well, which I showed you in the single file upload as well. So now for images, you have a separate table, and for other data, you have a separate table, right? So for one employee, in this case, you can have one photo over here if you want to keep it over here, but you can have multiple files over here, static. I'm just putting in static, or you can say like this, yeah. So these two differences I will show you how to do the setup. Now the next point is how to view it or how to download it. If you will just do select static from that images table, it will give you error. You will not be able to download. So what you will have to do, this is your file BLOB column. Let me show you this one. File BLOB, this one. This is type of BLOB. So this is the column you will have to put in your query like this. So it's you will have to call this package, inside package, dbns lob, get length, file underscore blob, and you can put your link or whatever the name, right? So this you will have to do in your report SQL, wherever you want to download or show or something like that, yeah. Okay, now when you are uploading multiple files, so Oracle will by default upload in this table, which is application temp files. Oracle is having this table for uploading the files. By default, all the files will go into this. If you will use the multiple files upload feature or option, right? Now the question is how to purge in this, because let's say for example you have logged in, you have uploaded one file, next time you are uploading again, so that file will again come because that is still there. You have to remove that or purge that. So for that there are two settings. One is end of session. So if you will do end of session, that means the files will remain in this temporary table and will be only removed from this or purged when you will close or end the session. But when you will submit, that is end of request, the page, right? So end of request, let's say for example once you submitted, that's it. Next upload, so temp files no more there. This is how you can use these two settings. I will show you where you can do these settings. Okay, you can also put some limits over the file upload. So you can say that, let's say for example, you are allowing image of any type, even you can put like this PNG or JPEG or whatever. Here you can say you are allowing image of all types, videos of all types, things like that. You can put it over there. This is how you can put your limits. You can have this in the trigger as well. So here you can put the size limit as well, and see here the file name is not null and the length of the file is like this. So here you are putting this size limits as well. You can put this in the process as well. You can put it in the validation as well. It was in the standard application of Oracle Apex, so I thought let me show over here. So here you can generate an error that okay, the file was over 15 MB. Please upload a smaller size. That's it. Okay. Let me go to the Apex now. Okay, first thing is this is the portal which I'm normally maintaining for the Apex as well. So if you see here, it has the Apex area. If you will come from the home, it has the EBS area, it has this Apex area as well. So if you'll go to Apex area, you will be able to find here, let's say for example, I will search for upload. So I will be updating this topic. So here the code is there, which you can use as a reference, which you can improve, which you can play with it. Okay, now if you will go to Oracle Apex and let me show you, you can have a default application. I will show you how to install that one. That is provided by the Oracle Apex team, and just if you will see here, it is there. Sample file upload and download, right? And since I've already installed it, so I don't need to install, but you can install from here, because if you need certain reference, up to you. So this is the application, how it will look like. So let me refresh it. If you see here, I just uploaded one file over here and it has a download link. And if I want to upload more, now if you see here, I'm selecting this project and here there is a file upload option. This is how I can do this one, the upload option, right? There is a add file, let me select one, let's say bug tracker. I am just selecting one bug tracker. Let's say, for example, this API, I'm just selecting it. Test, let's see how it will do. And it has these comments as well, which you can use. So this is how I uploaded, and if you see here, this was the file I uploaded. So if you see here on the right side, it is showing me the size 20 KB, and on the right side it is also showing me the download link. So if I will click the download, I am able to download it, right? And it has this SQL source as well, which I was showing you. So this is to get the file size, this is to download, and this is your overall SQL for this table, right? Very simple. And then if I will come to the projects, if you see here, project icon, it is showing as well live. There I was able to download, here I am able to view it as well. So let me show you now the backend or coding process. This is first I will just give an overview, then we will go into detail. So this is a project icon. If you see here it is display image. This is the report. If you see here, this is interactive report, and this is my SQL, which I was just showing you there. Let me maximize it. So as icon, this is the project icon. See that get length, you have to use that get length. These are different ways. Okay, now this is how you can display your image inside your report. And down, if you see here, you will be able to select this table name, then these columns which I was showing you to define, right? This is the primary key, it must be there. Then you need meme type and file name, upload, things like that, right? So this is how you can display like this, right? So here you can add project, see here, project icon, upload file. So this is how you can define your page and then you can upload. Now let me show you again here the codes. This is the project, task name, etc., 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 right? So if you see here, this is icon image. So icon image, you are just displaying it, display image, right? And let me show you this one. That is display image, and this is to upload, right? Now if you see here, this is the project table, this one, and inside this is a BLOB, and where I am able to upload. So here there is a difference. This is for single upload. This the current where I have clicked, it is for single upload. And if you see here, storage type, there are two types of storage types. One is BLOB column specified in item source, that is in the current table. But if you want, in this way you will be able to upload single file. But if you need multiples, then you have to click here, right? Which has different settings, but I will show you in a while. And when you will click this one, BLOB column and file browse from here, you will have to provide these columns of that table, right? Which are there, you know, it is not showing here, but these are part of this table. So you have to show these exactly the table names, table column names, not the like P13, right? These are the table names, table field names. Okay, now here in the project you are uploading the icon, but at the same time, if you see here, upload file. So if I click here, see here, it is still single file. How? Now this is my next region. Here, this is the file, and here they are saying this is your table. But if you see here, they haven't enabled it. Allow multiple files. Yeah, allow multi files is not enabled. So even it is using this temp table, but still allow multiple files not enabled. Here you can put the file type. If you have any confusion or you need any help for any field, you can just, instead of layout, you can click this help. You will be able to find it. So if I need only image, for example, of all type, so I will be able to do this one. Here you can put the size, whatever you have in KB, right? Okay, this is how you can upload. Now, if I have to upload multiple files, what I will have to do? I have to click. Now, just let me show you the difference. Here I clicked. I am not able to select two files. See here, I can only click one file. I can't select second. So now I'm going to do like table structure, but allow multiple, right? Now see. So I will now click this file upload option, and if you see here, now I can select multiple. Yeah. So let me see here. Why it is here saying that? Because I have put the control of image files only. So let me remove that restriction of the image files, and even size I will remove over here. And if you see now the file upload, and now all files are displayed, and you can select multiple, right, like this. And if you see here, 13 files selected. Now here is the question. These files are uploaded in the temporary table, which will be purged. So how to bring these files into your own table, which is your detailed table? So for that, what you will have to do, you will have to create a process over here. So let me show over here. See, here I created one table. This is single file upload, which I was just showing you from the temp files. See, from the temporary file. But from the same, if you have to use or upload multiple files, you will have to write this code in your process. So after submit, what it will do, see, you have to create these types which are arrays, and this is the row type. Then because in the same file, field, it will have, let's say, 13 file names, each separated by this. So with this, what you are doing, you are getting the file name as a separate, I will say, as a separate variable in the separate variable in the separate cell. Then you are going to pass that here. See, where name is equal to this. So from temp files table, you are taking that file in a loop, for loop, right? And then inserting into your table. It is the same table. So here you can put your project ID, which I told you that you have to, it will be your foreign key, and then you can have this as a from your Apex form application, and then this is your table structure, and this is from the loop, right? From here you will take this one. See here, L file, L underscore file, you will prefix dot name. So these names are of this temp table, right? Okay, purging option, let me show where is the purge option. So if I will click this one, right, and if you see here I have selected this temporary table, and here is the purge option, right, end of request, end of session. So better to keep end of request, so every time you will submit a new upload or something like that, the temp file will be empty. So why to loop from all the tables or records? So this is how it will be, right? So allow multiple files, that's it, this. I think I have covered everything over here. So this one, the first one is for single, and this is for double or multiple, right? So I will click the projects, and if you see here I have just displayed this icon over here, but when I will click here, I don't have any file over here uploaded. It is there, one file is uploaded, so it is showing under the under my project, right? So if you see here, this file, it is showing with the record because it was part of that table, projects table, but this is detailed and you can download from here, simple, created 2 hours back, and file size, etc., right? And this I already told you how to do that one, but let me show you quickly again. Project attachment. See, this one is the classic report where you will have this SQL with get length. Here you are showing the size, here you are downloading it, right? Both are same, but just two titles. So down, when you will come here, this is the download, and here you will say type download below, right? And down you will have to give the table name, primary key, column, we will have to select from it will show you that table columns by default, yeah. And this is how you can see fix it, right? So let me just have show you quick. Let's say for example I'm just Control C, right? I'm just to show you. To let's say this is a plain text, right? If you see here, there are no settings, but now if I will have to click it download below, now these are mandatory. So I will have to enter the table name. When I will enter table name and I will come down, it will show me. So below column is my file below, primary key is my ID. Other are optional, but let's say, let me give it this me type, me file name, and last updated column, it should be somewhere here. Character set, I think maybe created by your, created or updated. You can say it is la updated column. Let's say for example updated. Character set column, this is the correct. That's it. And now another thing is what you want to have the download link. So I will say my file, I'm just giving you example, my file download, just an example, right? So just like this, and let me run now, and we'll see how it is showing. See it is showing my file download. You can add icons here or whatever you want to do that. So this is how you can do that one. Let me say content deposition inline, how it will show. Let me have a look, because sometimes you don't try every option. So let's see what it will do. Download, I don't know, it does just download it. So maybe some use is there, but I haven't tried it. Yeah, inline, available option include inline, right? So this is how you can do. Here you can see the size. This is just a classic report, and if you see here this project, and this is the icon image, right? Here display image, and then you will have to give these options, right? I think I have covered all the area, and you can have this application. It has the syntax, it has all the details, it has the tables, how to take the output, home, projects, how many files are there, things like that, right? And here it can show the recent files uploaded, which you can have certain conditions, right? So this is how you can upload your files in Oracle Apex. The Apex application might be you have different options if you are using a prior version. The version I am using for this demo is only available at the moment online, which is 22.2.0-19, and I think this is still not released, but these file upload options are same even in prior versions as well. So you can try and share your feedback. If any question is there, please do let me know. I will share this link as well under the video, and please share your comments and feedback. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.